Hi, today we're going to be talking about polynomials. Our key idea is going to be that like terms have the same variable, meaning letter, raised to the same power, meaning exponent, and we're going to be adding like terms. To add like terms, add the coefficients, numbers, and keep the variable. To subtract like terms, subtract the coefficients, meaning numbers, and keep the variable. So we're going to apply this to geometric figures. So our first instruction is to find the perimeter. So we're going to find our perimeter and we're going to simplify our answer. So we're looking for terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. Where, as you can see here, we have an S and we have an S here. So I could say this is S plus S. That gives me 2S. Then, if we look, we have some numbers or constants. We're going to say this is 4, and there's a minus in front of the 1, so this is really saying 4 plus -1, which is 3, because you can think of this as 4 minus 1. So the answer for this would be (2s plus 3). That would be our answer. So let's go ahead and look at the next one. Find the perimeter, simplify our answer. So we're going to do the same thing. We're looking for variables raised to the same power. Well, if you notice here, all of our variables are v's. So we have 9v, another v, and a 10v. So we could just add those together. We've got 9v plus v plus 10v. If we add all those together, what's 9v plus another v? It's 10v. 10v plus 10v is 20v. Now let's go ahead and look at our constants. We have -7. I'm going to use this color. -7 plus a -1. So we've got -7 plus +1. And I think I said -1 when I meant +1. So -7 plus 1 is equal to -6. So our answer in this case, this time I'm going to write it inside the figure, is 20v minus 6. That would be our answer. Let's go ahead and take a look at these figures down here. Notice the instructions are the same. Find the perimeter and simplify our answer. So this time we have it's a four-sided figure, so it's still a quadrilateral. So we've got 5a, 9a, 1a, and 8a. So this time I'm going to write it down instead of across. 5a plus 9a plus 8a plus a. Now let's look at the numbers that go next to that. We've got a +3. So I'm going to put +3 here. We've got a -1. So I'm going to put -1 here. We've got another -1. So -1. And we've got a +8. So we're going to add 8. Now this time what we're going to do is, you're normally used to kind of adding things and carrying over. We're not going to do that. We're going to add all the a's together. So 5a plus 9a is 14a. 14a plus 8a is 22a. And to add another a, that would be 23a. Now we're going to deal with the constants. So +3 minus 1 is +2. +2 minus 1 is +1. +1 plus 8 is 9. So our answer for this question would be 23a plus 9. That would be the perimeter of the figure. Then we've got find the perimeter. And now hopefully you've noticed with every single one of these, I'm just adding up all the sides. Perimeter is when you take all the boundaries and add them together. So on this one, I have got 2x plus 4x plus 8x plus 4x. So I've got 4x, and this really doesn't matter what order you write them in, as long as you collect all the x's together. We've got positive 7, I grabbed the wrong pen again, plus 7, 2x plus 1, 8x plus 9, 4x plus 7. Let's go ahead and add all of our x's together. We've got 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, so we have 18x. And then we're going to add our constants. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 7 is 24. So the answer to this problem would be 18x plus 24. So we've taken the time to add the parameters of all of these geometric figures. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give me a call or a remind or a text or see me in class. Talk to you later. Goodbye.